Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Science Studio321. Today we have this question and we have to solve this question for the value of x. So let's start the solution of the question. Square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x plus 2 equal to square root of 6x plus 13. So first of all we will take squares on both sides. So after taking square on both sides, here this is a and this is b, so we will apply a plus b whole square formula, and here this square will cancel this square root, so this will become a square. So a square means that square will cancel this square root, so this value will become x plus 7, and then plus 2a b plus b square. So b square means that square will cancel the square root, so this will become x plus 2, and here this square will cancel this square root, so it will become 6x plus 13. And now this x plus this x will become 2x, and plus 7 plus 2 will become 9. So 2x plus 9, 2x plus 9, and this whole term which is equal to 6x plus 13. And now we will send these values, that's 2x and plus 9, on this side of the equation. So this equation will become 6x minus 2x and plus 13 minus 9. So now this 6x minus 2x equal to 4x, and plus 13 minus 9 equal to plus 4, and this whole value. And now we will expand this x plus 7 into x plus 2. So we will multiply, first we will multiply this x with this x, so it will become x square, and then this x with this 2, so this will become 2x plus 7x and plus 14, which is equal to 2x plus 2. Why 2x plus 2? Because this 2 we have divided both sides. This equation we divided by 2, so 2 divided by 2, it will eliminate this 2 from here, and when we divide 2, so this will become 2x plus 2. So overall this equation will become 2x plus 2 with this value. And now this 2x plus 7x will become 9x. So overall this will become x square plus 9x plus 14 equal to 2 into x plus 1. We have taken 2 common from here. And now we will again take square to eliminate this square root, so squaring on both sides. So after taking squaring on both sides, this square will cancel this square root, and here this square on this 2, so it will become 4, and here we will apply a plus b whole square formula, so this will become x square plus 2x plus 1. So the whole equation will become x square plus 9x plus 14 equal to 4 into x square plus 2x plus 1. And now we will multiply this 4 with this whole value. So x square plus 9x plus 14 equal to 4x square plus 8x plus 4. So now we will take the variables and the constant on one side. So 4x square minus this x square on this side, so and then plus uh, this plus 8x, and this will become minus 9x because we send this value on the side of the equation, so it will become minus 9x, and this plus 4 and this plus 14 will become minus 14 and equal to 0. So 4x square minus x square will become 3x square, and plus 8x minus 9x equal to minus x, and plus 4 minus 14 equal to minus 10 equal to 0. So 3x square minus x minus 10 equal to 0 is our equation, and this is a quadratic equation. So first we will try to factorize this equation. So if we factorize this equation in 3x square minus 6x plus 5x, so minus 6x plus 5x equal to minus x again. And if we multiply, so the multiplication is minus 30x square, and here minus 30x square. So both the condition are applies uh, over here. So our factorization is correct. So now look over here in these two values, and in these two values we will take common. So here in these two values we can take 3x is common, and in these two values we can take 5 is common. So let's take the common. So after taking 3x is common from here, the remaining will be x over here and minus 2 over here, and after taking plus this 5 common, the remaining will be x minus 2, which is equal to 0. And now in these two terms, one term is this and one term is this. X minus 2 is common, so we will take x minus 2 is common. So after taking x minus 2 is common, here we have 3x and plus 5 over here, which is equal to 0. And now we will compare these two values with 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0 and 3x plus 5 equal to 0. And now we will send this 2 on other side of the equation. So it will become x equal to 2, and this 3x equal to minus 5. And now we will divide both sides by 3. So this will become x equal to minus 5 divided by 3. So we have these two solutions of the given question, which is equal to 2 and minus 5 divided by 3. But before deciding these two solutions, we will have to check these uh, solution, either it satisfies the equation or not. So let's verify this. So verify when x equal to 2. So let's first we will check it for x equal to 2. So this was our given equation or given question. So we will put 2 here. So put 2 in place of x. So this will become 2 plus 7 and plus 2 plus 2, and here 6 into 2 plus 13. So this will become 9. So square root of 9, and this will become 4. So square root of 4, and 6 6 2 times equal to 12 plus 13 equal to 25. So square root of 25. So now square root of 9 equal to 3, and the square root of 4 equal to 2, and square root of 25 equal to 5. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5, and 5 equal to 5. So it means that it is verified, and x equal to 2 is the real solution of this question. And now we will verify this question for the other value, which is minus 5 divided by 3. So this was our given equation, and now we will put x equal to minus 5 divided by 3. So let's put it. So here we have put it this uh, minus 5 divided by 3 in place of x, and here we have put this minus 5 divided by 3 in place of x, and similarly we have done over here. So overall this value will become 3 times 7 equal to 21 minus 5. So this will become 16 divided by 3, and 3 times 2 equal to 6 minus 5. So it will become 1 divided by 3, and here this 3 will cancel this 6. So 3 times 2 equal to 6. So 2 times 5 equal to 10. So overall this minus 10 plus 13 equal to 3. So here square root of 3 and square root of 3, and here we have 1 divided by 3, and here we have 16 divided by 3. And now this 16 square root of 16 equal to 4, and square root of 1 equal to 1. So this 16 and 1 will come out of the square root. So this equation will become 4 divided by under root 3 and plus 1 divided by under root 3 or square root 3, which is equal to 3. So this 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So overall this will become 5 divided by square root of 3, which is not equal to under root 3. So it means that or this value doesn't satisfy the condition, so not verified. It means that x equal to minus 5 divided by 3 is not the real solution of the question. So overall we have this question, and we have the solution of this question is real solution is 2. And this minus 5 divided by 3 is an extraneous root, because it doesn't satisfy the equation. So it is an extraneous root. So this was the solution of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question regarding this equation or given question, so you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.